Good morning YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing how to change the headlight bulbs in 2013 Ford Explorer.
As you guys can see, one of the headlights on the left side is dead.
Stay tuned.
So I'm going to be replacing both the 9005 bulbs on this Ford Explorer with these Ferrant LED headlights I bought from Amazon for 40 bucks. This product is #1 bestseller on Amazon with more than 2,000 reviews. The website says these LED lights are 300% brighter than the halogen. It comes with 2 LED bulbs, each has turbo cool fan to provide super cooling ability, which ensures a longer lifespan up to 50,000 hours. So without further ado, let's set these guys up. This job is pretty easy. You don't need pliers or screwdrivers or any other tools. Under the hood, you will see rubber boot on each side. Just pull it off and you will see the 9005 headlight bulb. Reach the headlight bulb assembly and turn it counterclockwise, and then pull it out. Let's plug in the LED headlight. Let's turn on the headlights and see how it works. The light is indeed pretty bright. Alright, let's plug it into the socket. Secure the headlight bulb assembly into the housing by twisting clockwise, and then put back the rubber boot. Let's see how it turns out. It works. Not only is it working but also brighter than this old one on the other side. Now, let's do the same steps on the other side. Same process, pull this rubber boot off and to see the headlight bulb. Twist it counterclockwise to remove the headlight bulb assembly. Plug in the LED headlight. Secure the headlight bulb assembly into the housing by twisting clockwise. Put the remaining inside the house. And then put back the rubber boot. Now we're done, let's see how it turns out. Thanks for watching guys. If this video helps, please consider subscribing, hit the like button and don't forget to share. See you guys in the next one.